reference to your selfies when you die.
Welcome to a CES 2024 report where we break down all the new tech and AI trends. And be sure to like and subscribe so we can bring you more content just like this.
Imagine I go outside and I get hit by a bus. What's going to happen to all my stuff on my phone? Gone. Nobody has my passwords. I'm a programmer. My stuff is very secure.
Meet Adam, all-life digital asset manager.
But with Adam, we have two patent pending ideas. We have the executor key, which is a 32-bit alphanumeric key. We use that key to pass it over to our loved ones. So essentially, I'll register for Adam, I'll generate my key, and I'll pass it to you, because I want you to have my photos. Maybe I have some cool robot photos I want to pass along. And when I get hit by the bus, you'll be like, sweet, I can access this robot photos. You'll go on the app, put it in, and then that's where the second part, the release timer, happens. So I'm always on my phone. So I usually set my release timer to be 1 or 2 days, relatively fast, right? But for other people who may not use their phone often, they can set it to a week or 2 weeks, especially if you go on a trip where you don't have your phone. And once that release timer expires, you get access to everything. Specifically, if I give it to you, I'll most likely have a photo of a very precious moment of us, and each photo comes with a description and title that you can add. Same with the videos, notes, and files. I can tell you about all the great memories, why I love that photo, all this really cool stuff. Like everyone else, I have a bunch of gold buried somewhere secret, and in my notes, I can tell you under my mattress, I have a secret map that can tell you where you can find my gold. It's an amazing tool that you can use to pass on not only memories, but information that you may want someone else to have.
How do we guarantee that you guys aren't hit by a bus, that someone is going to sign up with you, subscribe? I can take it it's probably some sort of subscription, or is it a one-time payment?
So we're free to start. So anyone and everyone can use Adam for free. The only thing we charge you is just for more storage. That's it. We don't limit your features, we don't limit your options. Everyone can use Adam. The only thing we do is we simply just charge for more storage because of course we have to pay for it. We do actually have a one-time payment that you can use to have premium for the rest of your life if you so choose for.
Right.
And as long as I'm still kicking, I can cancel anyone's request to access my account even if they have my key. And for example, let's say I pass with someone I don't want to. I'm like, oh, they stole my favorite mug.
Say an ex-wife, an ex-friend.
I can create a new key, and it's going to make all the old ones obsolete.
I decided to try something new and give Adam a whirl, especially before it's too late. I typed in my email, created a password, and created an account. Then added my email and phone. I uploaded a profile picture, received my welcome. Then I was told I can save photos, videos, files, and notes. And Adam reminded me to use the plus icon to add to any of these assets. An executor key was automatically generated during my first use of the app, and it notified me that I can deny the use of the key anytime up to a 2-week period while I'm alive. If there's no response from me during this up to 2-week period, after that time period expires, my key can be used by my trusted person to receive my digital assets. Also, while the app is free, payment info is provided to pay for increased storage if I needed it. And then Adam Dashboard took center stage, allowing me to create photo, video albums, upload files, and include important notes. I created my first album, Ariel's Photos, and wrote a description. An empty screen appeared, allowing me to select either the Images or Videos tab to upload those assets. I chose to upload a picture of my cat Sunshine and provided a description of why this photo was important to me. Then I uploaded more photos and realized there's so much more to Adam than I first thought. What I was doing felt more significant than just handing my Facebook or computer password to a family member for the future. That could leave them overwhelmed. Getting access to the tens of thousands of random photos and videos I took during my life, you know those photos, from the broken faucet picture for the plumber to my grocery lists. None of it had meaning unless I could use a tool to provide the meaning for them. I wanted those I left behind, those I loved, to know me again, in a whole new way. Because beyond those sterile genealogy searches, which leaves ancestors scratching their heads more than anything, I was providing the meaning for them. There would be no confusion about what my life was about, what I loved, what made me laugh, cry, left me inspired, and more than anything, what they meant to me.
Other cool stuff.
I also tried the video tab, uploading a video of a lawn mowing robot that delighted me at CES. I was amazed at how fast the video uploaded. Then I tried the notes function and found it useful in communicating important info. And of course, the info here about accessing a safe is all fake. All of my assets appeared on the main dashboard, ensuring me all was safe and saved. A virtual treasure chest for those I loved to open, leaving a real piece of me behind when I was gone. To learn how you can download Atom, check the description down below.
Executor.ai